Welcome to Devi's English. I explained you preposition definition and kinds of prepositions. Let me explain you use of some important prepositions. Among, between. She works among the poor. In this sentence, among indicating among used here for more than two persons or things. Try to understand here, among used more than two persons. One more example, distribute these sweets among the poor students. In this sentence also, among used here more than two persons, the poor students. So then we are using more than two persons or things among using there. Between. Distribute these books between Ram and Shyam. In this sentence, between is used only for two, Ram and Shyam. So then we are using between. Another example, I lost my book somewhere between the car and the house. Between here indicating two things in between that. Then we are using between. Try to understand the difference between among and between. More than two persons or things, among we are using. Only for two, then we are using between. Beside, besides. Example, the daughter was sitting beside her mother. Then here by the side of, that meaning giving here. One more example, he sat beside me. Here also beside means by the side of. And besides his relatives, he invited his friends also. That means in addition to, he invited his friends also with his relatives. That's here meaning giving here besides. One more example, besides being rich, he is generous man. So he has two qualities, being rich and also generous man. So that is here besides. Beside means by the side of. Besides means in addition to. Into. He is sitting in the car. There is no movement. He is sitting in the car. So then we are using in. I saw him in the crowd. Here also, in we are using, there is no movement, then we are using in. He poured water into a bottle. In this sentence, we poured water into that bottle, that motion indicating here. Then movement is there, so that we are using into. He jumped into the pond. So here also movement is there, so we are using into. If movement is there, we are using into. If movement not there, we are using in. By, with. Ravana was killed by Rama with an arrow. In this sentence, by denotes the agent or doer of the action, and with denotes an instrument with which anything is done. That means Rama killed by Ravana was killed by Rama with an arrow. So whenever Rama was using their instrument, then we are using with. So action done by Rama that we are using by. One more example. He beat the dog with a stick. So then here how he beat the dog? With a stick. Instrument using there. So then with using there. He wrote the exam with his pen. Here also with we are using because he wrote the exam with pen. So then he was using one tool to write exam. So that with we are using. By means the agent or doer of the action. Which means here which anything is done the instrument. For since we have been playing cards for 2 hours. In this sentence for we are using because it indicating period of time 2 hours. So period of time before we are using for. One more example. My elder brother has been ill for 4 days. Here also 4 days the period of time indicating here. So we are using for. Since we play cricket since morning. I have been reading this book since morning. So here point of time indicating. So we are using since. One more example. They have been living here since 1990. Then here also point of time indicating. So we are using since. Over above. At noon the sun is over our heads. So here why should we are using over? Because in the sense of above it indicating. We should not use the sun is on our heads. We have to say only the sun is over our heads because in the sense of above it indicating. There was a lamp over the table. So here also over indicating sense of above, in the sense of above, that is over. And now above. In the sense of more than, that is above. For example, applicants must be above the age of 18. Here, what is here meaning? In the sense of more than 18. Then we are using above. A soldier values honor above life. Here also indicating above in the sense of greater importance or quality. So then yet, in, on. What is the difference between these three? We discuss now. Yet is used with small towns and villages. For example, he lives at Ramghar. Ramghar, it is a small village. Where it is? In some town. So then we are using yet. Small villages indicating, then we are using yet. He called on me at 9 p.m. yesterday. Here definite point of time, then also we are using yet. In is used with the names of big cities. I live at Panipat in Haryana. So small village, small area, yet we are using there. In Haryana, that means very big city. Then we are in before that using in. His younger brother lives in Kolkata. Kolkata here very big city, so that we are using in here. And he will go to Patna in April. So here using before the months and years also we are using in. On. I joined college on 26th April. He will come on Monday. In these two sentences, on we are using particular date before and also particular day before. Then also we are using on. So I think you understood the difference between two words, prepositions clearly. Thank you.